Okay, welcome back. Let's count a bunch of words. This is called Count With Me. So here we go. The word is taco. First, say it naturally. Taco, taco. Now let's clap it slowly. Ta-co, taco, taco, taco. It's 2 beats. Taco. Again, taco, taco. It's 2. Taco, taco. Yeah, taco. Very good. Let's try the next one. This one is coffee. Say it first. Coffee. Now let's clap it. Coffee, coffee, coffee. 2 beats. Again, coffee, coffee. Yeah, do you hear it? Coffee. It's very nice. Just 2 beats. Coffee. Here's the next one. Pizza, pizza, pizza. Say it. Pizza. Do you like pepperoni pizza? I bet you like Hawaiian pizza, don't you? Okay, let's say it together again. Pizza, and pizza is pizza, 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 pizza. Very good. Let's try the next one. Bus, 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 bus. Just 1. Bus. Let's go to the next one. Here it is. Monkey. Say it. Monkey, monkey, monkey. Now clap it. Monkey, 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 monkey. 2. Monkey. Here's the next one. Elephant. Say it out loud. Elephant, 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 elephant. Let's clap it slowly. Fant. So the word is elephant, 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 elephant. 3. Elephant. Here's the next word. Speaking of, telephone, 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 telephone. There's 3. Telephone, telephone. In Spanish, that has 4. Telefono. But in English, 3. Telephone. Very nice. The next one. Now, this one is interesting because the word is chocolate. 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 But people say, so it has 3, chocolate. But do you know people in the United States, they say chocolate, just with 2. They leave out the O completely. The O. So it's just chocolate, chocolate. It's chocolate, 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 chocolate. So there are all these food beats. Taco, taco, coffee, pizza, chocolate. What did you eat today? How about oatmeal? Oatmeal, there's 2. How about scrambled eggs? Scrambled, scrambled. There we are. Scrambled. 2 syllables. Eggs. 1. Tortillas, tortillas, tortillas. Tortillas. tortillas, 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 tortillas. Yeah, there's three with tortillas. Three. Very good. Okay, we'll see you soon. Bye.